Guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my golden saltfish fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of flour. I will also go in and add some paprika, and you guys don't have to add the paprika to your saltfish fritters, but you know, I want to give it a nice little spice, so I'm gonna add my paprika to my fritters. I will also go in and add some black pepper, and of course I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning to this. So please note, guys, that you don't have to add salt to your saltfish fritters because we're going to use saltfish, and you know, saltfish already contains salt, so you don't have to use it. I also went ahead and add some parsley flakes, and I combine all of the dry ingredients together. And for my saltfish, I went ahead and boiled my saltfish 3 times to remove the excess salt from my saltfish, and I also deboned my saltfish. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and add some water, and I'm using room temperature water. And you don't want your batter for your fritters to be too runny nor too thick. So even though I have 1 glass of water, I will not be using all of the water. Alright, so once all of the dry ingredients is combined properly, I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning, and these seasoning are some tomatoes, some onion, some scallion, bell pepper, garlic, and if you guys have any other seasoning that you want to add to it, you can always go ahead and add it. Alright, I will also go in and add my saltfish, and while I'm doing this, my frying pan is on the stove with my vegetable oil. I'm gonna allow it to heat up, alright, until I'm finished making the batter for my saltfish fritters. So once I added the seasoning and the saltfish, I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything together. Again, you always want to ensure that the saltfish and the seasoning is evenly distributed. And also you want to ensure that your flour is mixed out properly, alright? And as you can see, it is the right consistency, not too runny and not too thick. So now it's time to go ahead and drop the batter for my saltfish fritters. So I'm going to use a tablespoon to drop it because I think it's, you know, they're not too big and not, you know, not too small, just the right consistency and just the right size, bite size. But if you guys don't want to use a tablespoon to drop your saltfish batter, then it's fine. So within 7 minutes, my saltfish fritter is supposed to be ready. Alright, so I'm gonna give this 3 minutes on one side on medium heat, and then I'm gonna flip it over on the other side, give it another 3 to 3.5 minutes. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and flip it over on the other side, As you can see, it's coming along quite fine, all golden brown. So I want the other side to be golden brown as well. And then once it's finished frying, I'll come back and show you guys the final product of my golden brown saltfish fritters. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my golden brown saltfish fritters. As you can see, really nice, easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. Remember to comment down below and tell me what you think. And you can also tell me what you want to see me cook for you again. Bye.